Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Untitled Ryker here. Just got off work. Beautiful Wednesday. Thought it was gonna rain, but I'm glad it didn't. Just running some chores on the way home. Gotta go to Kohl's and take some items, a couple of packages, small packages back. Just hit the road because the traffic is already killing me. It's crazy. And what else? There was something else, and then I have to go to Kroger's and get some stuff for the grocery. Get some grocery for some dinner tonight. My wife is cooking some burgers. That should be good because it's always a treat when she cooks burgers. Plus, we're gonna have some guacamole. Gotta tell you, I make the meanest guacamole dip, and I gotta give most of that credit to my wife because as she did trial and error, all I did was taste the guacamole and say, hey, let's add this, let's take this out, and now we have the perfect formula for guacamole dip. And it's really bad, but I take all credit for it now because I make it. So, but you know, she gets 99.9% of credit on everything else she makes in reference to food. So, because I don't cook, it'll be exciting. I'm actually on the Ryker. My wife called and said, "Oh, you're on the bike. I wanted some stuff from Kroger's." I'm like, "Yeah, I got you covered." Why? Because I've always have my side pannier with me, so the shad panniers with me, and I've got my Link sport bag with me as well. I'm here at Kohl's. Just gonna go ahead and park right here. Yep. Okay. So go ahead and get out of here. Wow, as I was walking in, there's this lady walking out and a guy standing out. I thought the guy was looking suspicious, but turns out he was just part of the undercover security for Kohl's, and they just caught somebody shoplifting. And I'm like, wow, in this day and age, you know, walk into Kohl's and you see hundreds of cameras in there. My goodness. In this day and age, somebody is trying to shoplift. I mean, I'm not the one to judge anybody and the troubles they're going through right now, but man, shoplifting in a place like Kohl's that has 1 million cameras on there, I mean, you know, what do you expect is gonna happen? Sad, but man, that's oops, I missed the turn. It's sad, but I'm pretty sure that person is gonna be going to jail. Alright, I don't think I'm too far away from Kroger. I think I'm right across the street from it. So, yep, that sure is. I'm right across the street from it. I don't know why I'm excited. I almost sound like I'm excited to get groceries. Like, I hate going to get groceries, but it's always exciting when you're on your bike going to run chores and get groceries. So, it's just one of those things, you know. Those old commercials. You get a new car and it's late at night, and, you know, something that is not 100% important at the moment, but you know, you can always get it tomorrow. But no, the guy's always like, hey, I'll go grab it, and the wife's like, sure, go ahead, because this is the new car, you know. That's kind of how I'm feeling right now with the motorcycle, that I'll go get it, no worries, it's not too far away, no, I'll get it. So look at this Kroger's, man. They've got a Starbucks in here. What? The only other place I knew of having Starbucks was Target. or Target if you're fancy. And so yeah, that's pretty neat. I'm gonna go ahead and park here, guys. Find a parking, and I will head on in real quick. See, I've got space right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it. I just hope nobody steals my freaking LinkQ bag. That would suck. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a couple of these things. Let's see what's on the list, though. I have no idea what's on the list here. Let's see. Burgers, okay, blah blah blah. Avocados, jalapenos, and chips. Oh, love it. What about burger buns? I'm pretty sure we had no burger buns. Them burger. Ooh, nice soft burger buns. The soft burger buns. Okay, let's go find some jalapenos. You know what I mean? Ooh, jalapenos. Nope. Ooh. Oh no. No. Soft. Yeah. Okay. So all the avocados they have. Okay. Unos. Dos. Nos. Tres. Cuatro. Cinco. Seis. What is this? Cafe style is what I want. I found the chips, guys, on the border. Mexicana Grill and Cantina Cafe style is the best kind of chips to me. Moment of truth here. Let's get this show on the road. No, let's try to put some of this stuff in here. I might have to pop these. I might have to pop this bag. Not sure. We'll see here. Chips were always gonna go in here. See if we can add one more. Pretty much doubt it, but I think we should be able to. So you see that? Two extra large bag of chips, party size and one regular size. No issues. And here comes the test of this bag. Let's see. By the way, I've got my first aid kit, my tire plug, and the air pump, and there's some tools and little thing over there. Let's see if I can mold this in here without messing the bread up too much. I think we got it without any issues. Look at that. Not even have to push it down so much. Look at that. Time to go home. Long day of work. So, guacamole recipe you guys will absolutely love. And this is just based on my taste buds, and you can adjust anything you want according to your taste buds. So I would say about 4 to 5 small size guacamoles. You only find 2. You find the big, and then you find the small. The big and the small. So if you have the small size, 4 to 5 guacamoles. All right, do not, whatever you do not put them in the what do you call it, the grinder, you know, like the one with the blades, like 3-4 blades. You turn them on and they grinds everything into a paste. Do not do that. That's the worst thing you can do. So go ahead and take you know, peel those out, you know, take out this big seed in the middle and put them in a nice plastic container. Just take like a fork and then start mashing them down, and mash them into, don't mash them into a paste, just mash them down to where they're nice and, you know, don't have any super big chunks left, you know. So, and then what you do is you take for every 4 to 5 small guacamole pieces, you take 1 red onion, 1 small tomato. So, you know, you have your big round tomatoes, and then you have your odd, you know, oval shaped tomatoes like Roma tomatoes, and one tomato and 1 onion, 2 jalapenos. That you put in the grinder. Do that, and then slowly start mixing that mixture on into your avocado mix, you know, mash that you just, the avocados you just mashed. So the reason why I say that is because for me, I like all the flavor, so I usually just put all of it in there and be done with it. But you might not, it might be too much for you, so, or it might be too less and you want more. So either way, what you do is you go ahead and start adding about half of that and mix it up. Add some salt. I would say 1 or 2 little spoons of salt, depending on how much you like, how much you need. And a lot of people usually put lime in there, and you can do that. I usually take a lemon, fresh lemon. I don't take the juices, you know, the lemon juice. They taste a little different. I always get the fresh stuff. And then cut the lemon in half. And then I don't usually squeeze the whole half in there. I just squeeze a little bit at a time until I find my perfect balance, and mix it all up with a spoon or a fork, nice, thorough. It'll only take you 5 minutes to make this, but man, oh man, this guacamole dip is so amazing. It does give you the burn, just let me tell you. So if you don't like spicy stuff, then I would not put 2 jalapenos in there. I'll put 1 jalapeno, or I wouldn't put any jalapenos in there at all, or half a jalapeno. But usually what we do is we usually take these spicy Thai peppers on top of the jalapenos, like about 3 or 4 of them, and throw those in there too, and those are really tasty. But I usually have to eat it Tums before I go to sleep then, because I mean, at that point you don't feel the spice, but later on you feel it. So I like the fact how easily 3 bags of chips, I didn't even have to pop them. They fit just fine in the side pannier, shad pannier. So, you know, if I had more stuff and I had to create more room, what I would do is probably pop the bag of chips and fold them down. That'll create more room. So that's what I would do. But I think the bag is doing its job. It's nice, decent size. I haven't used it for anything else except putting the groceries in today. I think I put a small box in there once, and that was no big deal. I was again picking up some parts, and then what else? And I think and my helmet. That's it. So I put my helmet in there. I put these groceries in there. That's pretty much it. So that's why I was pretty excited. I wanted to see if it fits or not, or, you know, if I had to move things around and make it work. But no issues. Everything is cool. So guys, you want to make your wife happy on your way back to work, if she's feeling tired and says if you can pick up a few things from the grocery store, and you've got the Can Am Ryker, you know, do it with a smile on your face. But as you're doing it, and if you're making a video about it and talking, make sure you pay attention to when your exit is on the way, so you don't have to speed up and get over and not miss your exit. So yeah, do it. A, you'll feel good. You got an extra few minutes of your ride in, and B, she'll be happy with you, man. You know, happy wife, happy life. Keep them happy. Beautiful weather. Oh lordy, car just came out. This white car just came out right in front of that truck. So I'm amazed at sometimes of, you know, what people think before entering a road, how they gauge how far the cars are and if they can get in or not. So we've all done that. I can't just, you know, blame this guy. We've all done that. I've gotten onto the road and realized, oh shit, I need to speed up. But you know what? I think I've taken up enough time. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me on my way home, and please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and if you guys have any questions or you need to know something about the bike, please go ahead and comment down below. If I can, I'll discuss it in my next video. Still haven't heard back from the dealership on getting my my sway bar, so I guess I'm gonna follow up with them tomorrow. And other than that, guys, I do appreciate it. Until next time, be safe.